It is that there is a lack of trust on the relation. I just try to focus what is the reason behind it. I'm very shocked. The reason is the social media. So, have you guys ever noticed how social media is responsible for it? The main problem is that maybe you have also scrolled the video on the Facebook and the shorts and the YouTube shorts as well. So the videos content means the video content is about there is a relation between the girl and boy, and a third body come and he says that I will give you money and you have to be quit this relation. You have to be and in short I can say that you have to be break up with your friend and something like that. So what the youth thinks about it, when the youth is see all around on the social media, so what the main impact on the life of this youth is, they are in state of trust on the other